Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Yusha alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Yusha alayhi salam was a prominent figure in Islamic tradition, known for his leadership and dedication to Allah. He is often recognized for succeeding Prophet Musa alayhi salam in guiding the children of Israel after their long period of wandering in the desert. His life and mission are significant in both Islamic and Judeo-Christian traditions, though each religion may emphasize different aspects of his story. Yusha alayhi salam was born in Egypt during the time when the children of Israel were enslaved by the Pharaoh. He grew up alongside Prophet Musa alayhi salam, learning from him and being one of his most loyal followers. When Musa alayhi salam was chosen by Allah to lead the Israelites out of slavery, Yusha alayhi salam was among the trusted companions who supported him in his mission. Yusha alayhi salam's strong faith in Allah and his leadership qualities set him apart from others. One of the most significant moments in Yusha alayhi salam's life was his role in the event of the Exodus. After the Israelites were freed from Pharaoh oppression, they wandered in the desert for 40 years. This period was marked by many trials, and Yusha alayhi salam was a key figure in helping maintain the faith of the people during this difficult time. He witnessed many of the miracles that Prophet Musa alayhi salam performed, including the parting of the Red Sea. When Prophet Musa alayhi salam passed away, it was Yusha alayhi salam who was appointed by Allah to lead the Israelites into the promised land. The journey to take possession of this land was filled with challenges, but Yusha alayhi salam leadership was marked by determination, wisdom, and a deep trust in Allah's plan. Under his guidance, the Israelites were able to defeat many powerful enemies and begin settling in the promised land. One of the most famous events during Yusha alayhi salam leadership was the Battle of Jericho. According to Islamic tradition, the walls of Jericho fell after the Israelites followed Yusha alayhi salam instructions and obeyed Allah's commands. This victory was a clear sign of Allah's support and was a turning point for the Israelites as they began to take control of the land. Yusha alayhi salam leadership was not only military but also spiritual. He continued to guide the Israelites to follow the teachings of the prophets, reminding them of the importance of worshipping the one true Allah. His role was not just about leading armies, but also about ensuring that the people remained faithful to Allah's commandments and lived righteous lives. Prophet Yusha alayhi salam's story is also a reminder of the importance of perseverance and trust in Allah. Throughout his life, he faced numerous challenges, both external and internal, yet his unwavering faith and commitment to Allah's will allowed him to succeed in his mission. His life teaches lessons of courage, obedience, and the importance of strong leadership. In the end, Yusha alayhi salam led the Israelites into the promised land, fulfilling Allah's promise to his people. He passed away after a long and fruitful life, leaving behind a legacy of leadership and faith. His story continues to inspire people of faith to this day, teaching them the values of courage, determination, and trust in Allah's plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.